Hi everyone, this video is an exercise 11 of question 5a. So we want to use integration by parts to find the integral of x times cos 4x. Okay, so we'll start by setting u is equal to x. And remember that we need to find du by dx, and also we need to basically set dv by dx equal to the other function, which is cos 4x in this case. And then we need to find v. So we always make two choices, which are u and dv by dx, and then we find the other two. So du by dx is equal to 1, and then dv by dx. So when we integrate cos 4x, we get 1 over 4 sine 4x. Okay. Now, here we use the formula of integration by parts, which is uv times du by dx times v dx. So uv is x over 4 sine 4x minus du by dx is 1 times v is 1 over 4 sine 4x dx. And we can basically write 1 over 4 outside of the integral, so then we only have sine 4x inside. And this is equal to x over 4 sine 4x minus 1 over 4. Now sine 4x integrates to minus 1 over 4 cos 4x plus c. And at the end, this is equal to x over 4 sine 4x plus 1 over 16 cos 4x plus c. Now in part B, we want to use the answer to part A to find the integral of x squared times sine 4x dx. Okay, so like the previous question, first let's set u is equal to x squared this time, and dv by dx is sine 4x. So du by dx is simply 2x, and then v is equal to minus 1 over 4 cos 4x, because that's the integral of sine 4x. Okay, so again we use the integration by parts formula, which is uv minus du by dx times v dx. So uv is x squared over 4 cos 4x minus, and inside we have x over 2. It's basically minus x over 2 cos 4x, because here is minus 1 over 4, but that minus cancels out with this minus outside, and we'll simply have x over 2 cos 4x. Now the interesting part here is that when you look at part A, the integral is x times cos 4x, and then here we almost have the same thing, it's x over 2 cos 4x. So we can simply just take this factor over half and just write this outside, so that we have x times cos 4x, and that's the same as part A. And we have found that the integral of x cos 4x is equal to this expression here. So we are just going to rewrite this basically here, and we have x squared over 4 cos 4x plus half, and then bracket, so this expression, which is the answer of this integral. So x over 4 sine 4x plus 1 over 16 cos 4x, and at the end we have just a constant.